Measure interactions with Pagination UI. Start by creating a new workspace. Give the workspace a title. Hit Save to complete. Click plus button to add a new segment. Choose Meta Event Data Point. In the Meta Event key, type URL. Enter the address of the listing page. Click Apply to complete. This segment displays visits to the listing page. Now open the website in preview mode. Press Ctrl key and click the left arrow. Now click Select Element. Matching click event will show up in the Use It Better log. Press Ctrl key and click a page number. Click Add Element to Selection. Use It Better log displays that this even matches arrows and numbers. Now copy the event. Add a new subsegment. Set a label, for example, Pagination clicked. Paste the event in the key value field. Hit Apply. Recently created subsegment represents visits to listing page with Pagination clicked. Now, open the website in preview mode. Press Ctrl key and click a page number. Click Select Element. Press Ctrl key and click another number. Click Add Element to Selection. Use It Better log displays information that this event matches all numbers. Now copy the event. Click plus button next to Pagination clicked segment to add new subsegment. Set a label, for example, page number clicked. Paste the event in the key value field. Click Apply to save subsegment. This subsegment represents visits to listing page with a page number clicked. Now open the website in preview mode. Press Ctrl key and click the left arrow. Click Select Element. Press Ctrl key and click the right arrow. Click Add Element to Selection. Copy event matching both events. Click plus button next to Pagination clicked segment to create new subsegment. Set a label, for example, arrows clicked. Paste the event in the key value field. Click Apply to save subsegment. Arrows clicked subsegment represents visits to listing pages, while users used arrows to navigate. Now go to the website in preview mode. Press Ctrl key and click Add to Cart. Choose Select Element. Press Ctrl key and click another button. Add the button to selection. Copy event matching all buttons. Click plus button next to Pagination clicked segment to create new subsegment. Label subsegment as Add to Cart clicked. Paste the event in the key value field. Click Apply to save subsegment. This segment represents visits to listing page with Pagination and Add to Cart clicked. Hit Shift and move the cursor next to pagination clicked until green plus shows up. Keep Shift and click to duplicate the segment. Click Edit next to newly inserted segment. Change the label to Without Pagination Clicked. This segment will represent the data about users who didn't use pagination on the website. Now change filtering to Without. Click Apply to save the changes. This segment represents visits to listing page without pagination clicked. Select the listing page segment. Open the segments report. In this section you can check how many people used pagination. Analyze key metrics. Compare subsegments. See which subsegments are up or down.